What are you doing? Whoa. All right, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You gotta fix it. Kiki, can I fix it? Kiki, can I fix it? Oh, you gotta get it. You gotta get it. Why are you going after the microphone? Hey. Daddy's gotta fix his camera settings. Daddy gotta fix the camera settings. Oh, she's done with me now. Cool. Abbott Elementary, folks.
A few moments later.
What's goody gang? Good ones. Good ones. What's good, y'all? What's going on? Salutations. Obviously, here with John. Haven't seen him in vlogs in a while. Haven't seen myself in vlogs in a while. But here we are. We're back. Today we got a good one for you. Yeah. We went and saw a car. I'm not going to speak too much on it. You guys will see. Stay tuned. Like I said, we'll show you what we did so far. John and I will come back, talk to you guys about it later.
Yeah, guys, we're going to get our hands dirty.
What do you mean by that?
We're going to get our hands dirty and we're going to get fed.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Stay tuned.
You think they're really gonna bring food though?
I don't know, but these people seem wishy-washy. Guys, right now, we're hoping that these people, you know, come to their senses and try to give us a nice exchange and some labor. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, guys.
Yeah, like you said, it should be fun. The story that this one's gonna be, this one, 10K likes, we'll try to do.
Yes, sir.
If you guys know what this looks like,
ooh,
you already know.
You know what's crazy though? It's not a Connecticut one, so it doesn't look like.
Oh,
this is actually interesting.
What does it say right here? It says motor a vehicle. All right, so just know in the paper.
We mean business.
Another one to me, another one.
Don't say what it is. Don't say what it is. They probably already know now.
They already know the hit. You said another one.
This like hitting.
It is. The sunlight is booming. Make my teeth look yellow.
Whoa!
All right, so I'm headed to the shop now. I just ended up dropping John off. We hung out with Lewis. So I didn't really tell you guys much. I'm about to show you guys what it is. Long story short, I got it for free. So before anybody tries to comment and say you bought a shitty, clapped out car, whatever, I got it for free. There's a lot of good parts. And like I said, $0, which means 100% return of investment. Happy Saturday to me. Let's go get our car.
1 hour later.
So I just got to the shop, sorted things out, car's here. So let me just show you guys real quick. Here is the project. You said the car was from Shelton, right? Regular Northeast Rust, so, but that still looks a little better than mine do on both of mine. The same thing here, this would need to get, this almost looks like Sam's old car. Okay. And then other than that, everything else is pretty much here. You put all the plastics, oh, fender right there. It's good though. The key, you have the key, title, all that stuff for this? Okay. So basically, it's all here. All right, yeah, I can do that for you.